Hello, my lovely hooded-eyed beauties. Today we are diving into the magical world of ombre liner, a look that's perfect for hooded eyes and super beginner friendly. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, okay, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my tutorials, okay? Let's glam it up. For starter, I have already prepped my skin and primed my eyes because good makeup starts with a solid base. Hooded eye hack, okay? Priming your lids keep everything in place, so don't skip it. Next step, define the crease. Grab a fluffy brush and dip it into a soft brown shade. Blend this into your crease to define your eye shape. It's like contouring your lids. Take your time, okay? Blending is therapy. Next, the star of the show, the ombre liner. Now, take your favorite eyeliner and draw a classic wing. Don't worry if it's not perfect, we are smudging it anyway, so duh. And using a small brush, a slanted or tilted or triangular shaped brush will help you. So, gently smudge the liner and blend it upward into the crease for that ombre effect. If the liner fades during blending, don't panic, just go over it and deepen the color. Duh. Hooded eyes love a little drama. Now it's time to add some sparkle. Here's where the magic happens. Take a golden shimmery shade. I'm taking this platinumy gold. This is from Etude House. This is very pretty and I will layer it on the top of the liner. This step instantly transforms the boring look, the boring cat eye or boring kajal look, subtle to glam in seconds. Now clean up like a pro. Use a tiny bit of concealer to clean up the edges and sharpen the wing. Trust me, this step makes all the difference. And just like that, the eyes are done. I mean, this easy. This easy. Okay? Who would have thought? Now finish the look. Time for the base makeup. Wait for it and bam, it's done. Because you don't need to see me blending foundation for 10 minutes, okay? But wait, something's missing. Let's give the lower lash line a boost with a soft swipe of kajal on the waterline and a coat or two, three of mascara because for those fluttery lashes you don't need drama. And don't forget to pop on your favorite seductive lipstick. I mean, this color is giving me the main character energy. So yeah, this is the final look. Yes, this is the finished ombre liner look. It's glamorous, it's beginner friendly, and perfect for hooded eyes. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks. All the products I used are listed down below so you can recreate this look. Until next time, stay fabulous, and I'll see you soon.